What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are at Orlando Speed World at their first cars, coffee, and drags. So pretty much a cars and coffee at the track. Started at 8, and I guess staging lanes will be open at 9:30. So right now all the cars are registering and checking in, and we got a whole bunch of cars out here. So it'll be cool because it's only street car day, so no like race cars. I don't know about bikes, but it'll be awesome. I'm here with the Boricua Beamers guys, so all the BMWs. Marty's on his way in the Supra. I don't know if he's gonna race or not, but I checked in, you know, jeans, helmet, ready to go. So I was gonna show some cars and go straight into racing. Thank you.
I mean, you have it in the car, but I just
no, I took it off. Thank you. 0.2 reaction time, 1.760 foot, 11.7 at 116. Not bad for how hot it is. See if I can find somebody to race. All right, so first run. It's super hot out here. It's freaking packed. Packed. Cars everywhere. Marty's here.
Yeah, we come to race. Well, not really.
Supra's parked being a show car.
Yeah, Supra being a show car today.
But good run, 11.7 at 116, 1.760 foot. 0.2 reaction time. I need to get that better. And yeah, I was gonna walk around, see what everybody did. Luis texted me on the M3. He won 11.3, and Jaime. Woo! M2 went 11.32. He's not even like on a good tire anymore. So yeah, back to some racing. Thank you. 11.9, 114. That's that heat sitting and waiting. But still, I beat the Mustang.
Cousins, the Audi and the BMW. BMW is going to get to the beach first. 11.27 at 125, 12.50 at 110 for a raceable car. Keep your eyes on the little Toyota. See if we can give the BMW something to race with. At the top end, the little Toyota goes out the back door at 115 miles. I do apologize to my import friends out there, and imports by, you know, Euros and imports and all. If I don't know the exact model of your European or import machine, I do apologize, but I'm not that up on the foreign cars. But at least I know the parents start mine are BMWs. Couldn't tell you which series either of them are, but very good looking pair of cars. Right on the radio right now, telling us what they are. Thank you, Kai.
O-Stars are 8's about to run. This place is packed. Bunch of cars ready to race. Bunch of cars showing back there. all ready to run. They're just trying to fix the tree right now, and then we're on to some racing.
Camaros up next.
LT1 stock A10 with the drag pack, so sticky tires in the back, skinnies in the front. So let's see the difference of weight versus power mods, because I'm full weight, I have everything on. She doesn't have a wing either, so yeah, it's a good race. She was pretty close to me too. Hello, thank you. 11.8 at 117. She went 12.2 at 1.4. So again, I got a 0.2 light reaction time. She's got a 0.4. Pretty close. You can tell what I have power over her weight. So I just ran an LT1 with a drag pack. So the difference from weight versus power. She ran a 12.2 at 114. It's super hot. I ran an 11.8 at 117. I got out of her 0.2 on the reaction time. If she would have got that, we would have been a little bit closer. She was there. I was watching. She was there. I just took off at the end, but that's just the power versus the weight once we were already moving. So a stock car with just a drag pack. She's been 11.9s too, stock, when it's a little colder.
All I'm seeing is Supra bait.
Super bait, but look, look who's here. Look.
It's a show car though.
Look at that.
It's a show car.
Pretty nice car.
It's a show car.
We're here at the track at the same time and no run. I mean, he's probably gonna beat me. It's okay, but still, we gotta.
It's not a problem.
Probably. We won't know for sure until we put them both on the track. So get in the comments and tell this fucker to get a helmet and let's run. But no, it was fun, man. Her dad hit me up and he wanted to race us for fun. He has a 1 Elite cam with like over 600 horsepower. Manual, he said manual too, right?
Yeah, he said manual.
So it's pretty cool, pretty nice. But yeah, man, it's good to see younger people out here having fun and racing safe. This event is crazy packed.
Yeah.
Cars, coffee, and drag. It's super packed, but it's too hot. It's like hot. I started like sweating my ass when I got in the car. But yeah, short, quick vid. Got some races in. Some of the other guys ran too. I think City went home with his last run being 11.1 with the M3. Hyman went like 11.2. Some of the other guys, Willie went 10.9. One of the other guys with the blue car went 10.9. So super hot, but they still ran. Had some fun. Beat 2 Mustangs. They're probably stock, but whatever. They're still Mustangs. So. But yeah, if you like the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. Comment.
Yeah.
Tell this
I'm gonna be the
fucker-
first one to say
tell this
the
fucker-
white Camaro slow. I'll comment that.
Tell this fucker to get his helmet and come back and race the slow marrow. See y'all. Peace.